How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Speedy Garage, where today I'll be showing you how to replace your reverse light or turn signal light on your Miata. Here's what you'll need: a ratchet and 10mm socket or wrench, JIS or Phillips screwdriver, and a replacement bulb. Start by unlatching your trunk. Locate and remove the screw on top of the taillight assembly. Remove the outer trunk lining carpet, the one closest to the rear of the car, by gently pulling up around it. Then locate the two 10mm nuts shown here. Remove and set aside. Remove the taillight assembly by gently pulling it back towards you. You'll then see three separate bulb connectors. The outermost one is for the brake light, the middle one is for the turn signal, and the innermost one is for the reverse light. Turn the connector counterclockwise to release, and pull the bulb out. To reassemble your taillight, you're going to grab the correct bulb and simply press it in, and then reinsert the connector and turn clockwise to lock in place. Reattach the taillight assembly. Reinstall the screw. And the two 10mm nuts. Put your carpet back in. Close the trunk. And you're done. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.